Welcome. In today's guide, we're walking through how to allow notification permissions on the X app, formerly known as Twitter, right on your PC. If you've noticed you're not getting updates or alerts for mentions, messages, or activity, this quick walkthrough will fix that in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your computer. Make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're on your home screen, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll see 3 dots that represent the menu button. Click on those 3 dots to open up more options. Next, from that menu, find and select the Privacy tab. This is where you'll manage how your account and browser interact with notifications and other settings. Once you're inside Privacy, click on Manage Privacy Settings. This will open a new section where you can control permissions for the site. Now, scroll down until you see Permissions for this site. This is the key area where the notification control lives. Here, you'll notice several categories of permissions, like location, camera, microphone, and of course notifications. Look for notifications and you'll see a small drop-down beside it. Click it, then choose Allow. Once you've done this, your browser and X will start sending notifications directly to your desktop. That means whenever you get a new message, a mention, or any activity relevant to your account, you'll receive instant pop-up alerts without needing to refresh the page. Before you close the Settings tab, double-check that the permissions saved correctly. You should see Allow displayed next to Notifications. Once confirmed, you're all set. You can return to the main X interface and use the platform as usual, knowing you'll never miss an update again. That's it. Super simple, right? Now your notifications are active and ready to keep you connected to what's happening in real time. If you ever want to change this setting later, just revisit the same menu and switch it back. Enjoy staying up to date on X, and thanks for following along.